Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate braised pork ribs with sea cucumber.
Ingredients are pork ribs 600 grams, frozen sea cucumber 8 pieces, approximately 60 grams each. Dried mushroom 10 pieces, use 600 milliliters hot water to soak. Garlic dice 1 tablespoon. Ginger slices 2 pieces. Star anise 2 pieces. Spring onion dice 1 tablespoon. Cooking oil 2 tablespoons. Shaoxing wine 1 tablespoon. Seasonings: light soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce 3 tablespoons. Rock sugar 2 pieces. Salt 1 teaspoon. Rinse mushroom. Soak in hot water for at least 2 hours. Cut the stems. Keep mushroom water. Do not throw it away. Defrost sea cucumber in cold water. Running water to rinse out the sands and scrape away the intestine, then cut into pieces. Wash pork ribs. Soak in hot water for 5 minutes, then running water to rinse out the bloody. Drain it. Kitchen towel to pat it dry. Add 2 tablespoons oil into the pot. Add ginger, garlic. Turn high heat. When oil boiling, add pork ribs, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, oyster sauce. Fast stir fry it for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Pick up the pork ribs, ginger and garlic. Set aside. Use same pot. Add mushroom. High heat to stir fry for 2 minutes. Add mushroom water, rock sugar. Water level should over mushroom. Add hot water if necessary. Close lid to cook for 10 minutes. Turn to medium heat to cook for another 20 minutes. 30 minutes later, open lid. Add pork ribs, ginger and garlic. Add hot water if necessary. Stir lid. Close lid. Continue to cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, add sea cucumber. Stir it. Cook for 15 minutes. Finally, add salt and stir it. Sprinkle spring onion and serve. Enjoy!